Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do this beautiful cow print wallpaper yourself at home for under $30. And the best part is that I rent the place I live, so this is completely runner safe and comes off 100% removable. I was already planning on possibly buying some wallpaper, but you know wallpaper is like super expensive, okay? I was looking into some removable wallpaper, but I saw this on Facebook and I was like, OMG, I have to try this and see if this works first. So let's jump right into this. $5 each for these. $3 each for these. They come in so many colors. It's got plain white front. Then you have stick on the back and kind of little square graphs. This will be so cool to help us figure out how much we're using too. So we're gonna be using this image as kind of our inspiration for the shapes. I'm sure that I could just do this, without drawing them out, but I want this to look as good as possible. So I am going to use a visual reference. This will be my visual reference. That's what I'm gonna say, visual reference. Alright, you want to trade places now? Obviously, you can do this project in so many different styles and prints. We're actually thinking about doing our bathroom too, so I'll make a video on that if I do. We're thinking about doing a different print, so just get creative with it. But literally, under $30, so much fun. You could do anything you want to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the way this turned out. I know I did. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and DM me for new merch available. As always, I love everyone who watches my videos. Thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful week. Be nice to each other, and join me next time.